He also urged the LG to approach the Supreme Court immediately for clarification, in case of any confusion, while saying, "But kindly don't violate the order of the apex court." Arvind Kejriwal, PTI chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal today wrote to LT Governor Anil Baijal wondering how he can be selective in accepting the Supreme Court judgment on power tussle between the Delhi government and the centre. In the letter, Kejriwal urged Baijal to implement the apex court's order in letter and spirit and asserted that the Ministry of Home Affairs does not have powers to interpret the order. Ad choice advertising and red invented by thieves. He also urged the LG to approach the Supreme Court immediately for clarification, in case of any confusion, while saying, "But kindly don't violate the order of the apex court." But how can you be selective in accepting the judgment? Either you should take a position that all the matters now would be placed before regular bench and therefore, you would not implement any part of the order. Or you should accept the whole order and implement it. How can you say that you will accept this para of the order but not accept that para of the same order? Kejriwal said in his letter. The Chief Minister today approved the Mukhyamantri Tirth Yatra Yojana, a scheme to enable 1,100 senior citizens from each assembly constituency in Delhi to undertake free pilgrimage, overruling all objections raised by the LG. Mukhyamantri Tirth Yatra Yojana approved. All objections overruled, Kejriwal tweeted. The Chief Minister had last Friday told reporters that the Lieutenant Governor does not agree that control of the Services Department should be handed over to the Delhi government, and that it was the first time in India's history that the central government had openly refused to obey the apex court's order. Addressing the media after a meeting with Baijal, the first after his 9-day sit-in, he had said the LG had sought advice from the Ministry of Home Affairs and was told that services should not be given to the Delhi government. This would lead to anarchy in the country, Kejriwal had said. Hours after the Supreme Court's landmark judgment earlier this week, the Delhi government introduced a new system for transfer and postings of bureaucrats, making the Chief Minister the approving authority. However, the Services Department refused to comply, saying the Supreme Court did not abolish the notification issued in 2016 which made the MHA the authority for transfers and postings. Also read, Arvind Kejriwal, Centre should approach court over confusion on services. Catch up on all the latest crime, national, international and Hatki news here. Also download the new Midday Android and iOS apps to get latest updates. This story has been sourced from a third-party syndicated feed agencies. Midday accepts no responsibility or liability for its dependability, trustworthiness, reliability and data of the text. Midday Management/mid-day.com reserves the sole right to alter, delete or remove without notice the content in its absolute discretion for any reason whatsoever.